and the sound of V is V, V. Okay, so for this one we are going to do the action song like this, like we're driving a van. Let's begin. Drive Vic's van round the village, drive Vic's van round the village, drive Vic's van round the village. Okay, let's begin with identifying the sounds, the beginning sounds of V. Remember, there's also W here in this picture, so we have to identify with W and V. Okay, so the first one here is vulture, vulture. Vase in American English, vase in English, in British English. Okay, so that's again violin,